PVC press, okay? In the gym setting, you'll often find like PVC pipes, some things like that you can use. At home, you've got broomsticks, handles, things like that you can use for this one. And if you don't even have that, you could even just use a towel. I think we're just trying to pull that towel as tight as straight as possible. Okay, prone means we're face down on the ground. Okay, so setting up here, this one's going to be targeting your upper back and shoulders, and even a little bit of your lower back as well. So we're face down at the ground. Okay, we are not going to be lifting torso on this one. I want face down on the ground, hands about just wider than shoulders. Okay, arms up overhead, extended straight out. Okay, if your shoulders are healthy, this is a good one to get that upper back and shoulders. So from here, head straight down, core can still be slightly active. We're going to lift, balls in the way. We're going to lift this up off the ground, and then I want you to come down behind your head, okay, as low as you can, and then press back up. When you get back to the top here, think of just lifting that PVC, that pole, straight high off the ground, come back down, lower back behind your head. Okay, nice and strong, lifting back up, okay, controlling back down. All right, so that's your prone PVC press. Take it slow, take it easy. If you need to add a little weight to this, you can even tie some shoes to the end. A little is going to go a long way, so you don't need too much. Stick a shoe on each end, and that couple pounds will make a big difference. So that's it. PVC press, prone, face down on the ground. A good one for getting back exercises in when you don't have a lot of weight options. So get after it and you get better.